Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU21-43. This is your Easy Lube grease cap for your 8-lug trailer axle hubs. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so this is part number TPU21-43. This is your Easy Lube dust cap for your 8-lug trailer axle hubs that are commonly found on like 5,200 pound, 6,000, 7,000 pound, or 8,000 pound axles, real standard. So it comes with the rubber plug that you can pop out, and when you pop it out, it'll expose that grease dirt that's on the spindle to give you easy access to where you can easily lubricate your axle. And we'll just measure it out. So the part that actually goes inside the hub, we're going to measure that. It's going to be 2.71 inches in diameter, and the overall height is going to be 1.49 inches, so 1.5 inches. It's always good to keep these on hand, as these will fall off going down the road. You do not want to get a bunch of dirt and other stuff in the grease in your hubs. You want to keep that stuff clean. So it's always good, always recommended just to have a few of these on hand. They're real cheap and will save you a lot of time, a lot of money in the long run. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.